is goody, y'all? It's your girl Eva K, and I'm back at it one more again, here to bring you some more wig drip boo. And like every other day that y'all have tuned in to my channel, it has been the 50 Shades of Spring collaboration series, and today is no different. But first, if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I am so glad you chose to come hang out with us today. I do hope you'll consider subscribing before the end of this video and becoming a part of the Eva K crew. Boo, we live over here, we crunk, we get it in. To do that, just go down below, hit the subscribe button, make sure you turn on post notifications by tapping that bell, boo, so you don't miss a video. Now back to the basics, these 50 Shades of Spring. And yes, I know it's not the bright colors y'all are used to seeing me slay, but you'll still enjoy it anyway. So today's collaboration is with another one of my YouTube sisters. My boo is the truth. When I tell you she's an entrepreneur, she has a business about agriculture and like supporting women, black women who are entrepreneurs as well, who are into agriculture and farming and things of that nature. That's off of YouTube. On YouTube, she's slaying wigs. She's giving you baddie on a budget hauls. She's showing you how to go to the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, and Family Dollar and get lashes for the low. And showing you how to lay them mugs on your eyelids and look real cute and stuff. She giving you all of that. And if you don't know, now you know. Hey, this is my wig bae today, Miss Arneisha Nicole. You guys, if y'all have not checked out Miss Arneisha yet, please go check sis out today. She is going to bring you a little bit of color as well. I will make sure to link her channel down below in the description box. And I will also make it float in the big eye in the sky. So, y'all ready for this slay? Are you now? Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Good, beautiful people, let us talk about Miss Bree. So Bree is from the Janet collection, their Melt series. It has a transparent hairline with the extended part. The Swiss lace is transparent, but boo. And it's HD. Yes, yes, yes. She is pre-plucked, pre-customized, natural hairline. It is heat resistant, safe up to 350 degrees. In the color Tiger Orange. But she has other colors as well. This is the stock card. Y'all, Brie is hitting as far as the lace goes. I'll say Janet is hitting as far as the lace goes. So I know y'all are all familiar with Bobbi Boss and their HD transparent lace and how it is ridiculously white, ashy, and ill. It's just not what's up. Janet, boop, high five, boo, high five, because you got it right. I got this tied around my head. Hopefully I ain't do it too tight. To try to secure the melt. The baby hairs are, to me, they were way too long, of course, but they're a more natural density as far, not density, but they didn't give you a whole bang, you know what I'm saying? It was manageable. And then this hairline, y'all, I love a nice pre-plucked hairline. It just looks so good to me. I have not put any powder or anything, not in the part, not in the little areas, you know, up here on the lace where the baby hair is. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. And y'all, like, you can't tell me where my hair ends and the lace begins right here. The lace is way out here, y'all. Oh, way out here. And over here, it's a little bit, to me, more noticeable because of the size of the cap. Let's talk about that. The size of the cap, it's not too tight. I have a 22.5 to 23 inch head. She is long, y'all. She is legit, like, baby, inches. Now, I'm more of a thicker density type of chick, but the density on this unit is really nice. It's not thick and it's not too thin. I will give you ladies a little quick look at how long she is in the back. So yeah, she comes here in the front. She is shedding and she tangles something terrible. I'm 5'10" if I didn't say it before. But all in all, I think she is a beautiful look though, guys. I just don't care for the shedding and the tangling, but it is a synthetic unit, and you know what I'm saying, we know what we get ourselves into when we buy these units. So yeah, you guys do not forget to go and check my sis Arneisha Nicole. Go check her page out. Y'all will not be disappointed at all. So y'all stay covered in the blood of Jesus. Y'all be safe out here. I love y'all. And I'll see y'all next time.